Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Qiagen Puregene Cell Core Kit 6.7 into 109. The material number of this product is 1126827. This is for only material number. The cat number is different for this product. This is mat number, not catalog number. And this is for RNase A solution 5 ml. This kit comes with this kit Puregene or Cell Core Kit. This is not a separate kit. This kit comes with this Puregene Cell Core Kit. I am going to keep this aside. We can see the lost. Over here we can see the brand name Qiagen. The product name is Puregene Cell Core Kit 6.7 into 109. We can store this product at normal room temperature, 15 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius. This is a molecular biology applications, not Indian for diagnostic process. A product of Germany. This kit is manufacturing from Germany, so the origin of the kit is Germany. This is the overall front view of this product. I'm going to show the other sides. This side we can see the plain surface. On this is the back side. And this also same. This is overall view of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. And also there is a top view. This is the top view. It is same as front side. So I am going to unpack this for your reference. After opening, we can see these are the solutions inside this kit. I'm going to take this one by one. The first one is a Qiagen Puregene Cell Lysis Solution, volume of 1000 ml. Here also we can see the material number, lot number also. It is well packed. Here also we can see cell lysis. Total of 1000 ml, one quantity. And the next one is precipitation Puregene protein precipitation solution 350 ml. So the short form was protein precipitation 350 ml, one quantity. The next one is Puregene DNA hydration solution 500 ml, a DNA hydration. So total of 3 products inside this kit. And the final one is RNase A solution 5 ml. This product is separated because of we can store at between 2 degrees to 8 degrees Celsius. So that's why this product comes with separately. The cat number of this product is 158156. So this is the fourth one. So these 4 products is combined with one product. That's why it may represent as material number, not as cat number, because each one has own cat number. So here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Qiagen Puregene Cell Core Kit 6.7 into 109. This kit contains a Puregene Cell Lysis solution, volume of 1000 ml, one quantity. A Puregene DNA hydration solution, volume of 500 ml, one quantity. A Puregene protein precipitation solutions, volume of 350 ml, one quantity. RNase A solution, volume of 5 ml, one nozzle. This is the overall view of this product. Thank you.